Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines. Foreign funding, PM Imran moves SC for early hearing of appeal. PTI chairman Prime Minister Imran Khan approached the Supreme Court seeking early hearing of an appeal in the foreign funding cases. Air ambulance make technical landing at Islamabad airport. An air ambulance has made a technical landing at Islamabad International Airport after taking off from Kolkata to Azerbaijan. A government delegation called on the Chief Election Commission at the Election Commission here to express the government's stance in the context of the Supreme Court's opinion in the presidential reference. Halim Adil Sharjeel maintained barbs during essay session. Opposition leader in Sindh Assembly Halim Adil Sheikh and Pakistan People's Party MPA Sharjeel Inam maintained barbs during the ongoing session of Sindh Assembly. Pakistan Army Team Spirit Competition 2021 kicks off. The 4th International Pakistan Army Team Spirit Competition 2021 commenced at the National Counter-Terrorism Center Pabi near Khariyan on Monday. This is the end of today's news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.